Mastering calm, understanding, stay unexcited. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to help you learn and understand it better. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's quite interesting and somewhat unique in its usage: stay unexcited. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, let's get into it and unravel the layers behind staying unexcited. Stay unexcited is a phrase that advises or instructs someone to remain calm or not get overly enthusiastic or agitated about something. It's an interesting choice of words because it focuses on maintaining a level of non-excitement, rather than not becoming excited in the first place. This distinction is subtle but significant in understanding the phrase's intention and use. This phrase can be used in various contexts, both formal and informal. However, its application usually revolves around situations where there's a potential for high emotion or anticipation. Let's break down some scenarios. In professional settings, it might be used to advise colleagues to remain calm and collected in the face of potential news or developments, suggesting that maintaining a neutral stance is preferable until all facts are known. In personal situations, you might tell a friend to stay unexcited about rumors or unconfirmed news until they have clear evidence or confirmation. The key to using this phrase effectively lies in the tone and context. It's usually meant to be reassuring, helping others to keep their emotions in check for their own benefit. Why is this concept important? In a world that's constantly buzzing with information, learning to stay unexcited can be a valuable skill. It helps in avoiding unnecessary stress. By not getting overly excited, you reduce the risk of disappointment if things don't go as hoped. Maintaining objectivity. It allows you to assess situations more clearly without the clouding effect of strong emotions. Improving decision-making. Calmness leads to better choices because you're thinking logically rather than emotionally. Understanding and applying the phrase, stay unexcited, can significantly impact how you react to situations in life. It's not just about suppressing excitement. It's about cultivating a mindset that favors calmness and clarity over emotional turbulence. We hope this exploration helps you grasp the essence of staying unexcited and why it might sometimes be the best response. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep learning and growing. See you in the next video.